What's up, everybody? Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and I'll tell you what, in a couple days we're going to go on a 1,700 mile plus off-road and camping expedition in the Jeep with our little trailer behind it all over the Southwest, and I just could not wait to try out our new Country Smokers Traveler portable wood pellet grill. So we're going to make some flank steak tonight, and I took the recipe right off the Country Smokers website. We're going to have some flank steak tacos, some kind of fajita style. So I'm going to season up the meat just like it says to do in the website recipe, and we're going to go ahead and cook it up. So here she is, plugged in, ready to go, all clean and beautiful, nestled right here in our backyard oasis, and we are getting ready to make some awesome dinner. So we picked up a bag of the Pit Boss Competition Blend wood chips, and this is a hickory maple and apple blend. It was recommended to me by Country Smokers, and this is what we're going to try out. Now the hopper holds 3.5 pounds, so I'm just going to get a big healthy scoop out, and we'll take it out to the smoker. So we've got our wood pellets, we've got our Country Smoker Traveler, and the automatic startup procedures are to check inside the hopper, make sure there's no obstructions in there in the auger or in the hopper feeder itself. Of course, it's brand new, there's no obstructions anywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to add wood chips, drop those guys in there, close the hopper, and then we're going to turn it to smoke. Hopefully you can hear that starting up. Starts up the fan, you're going to hear a torch starting up, and the auger's automatically going to feed the pellets into the hot pot in the center, the fire bowl, as you will. So next up, the torch is going to ignite, and it's going to start billowing white smoke. Once the white smoke dissipates, you're ready to close the lid, turn it to your desired temperature, and start cooking when it gets there. Okay, the auger is doing its job. It's pushing those pellets down into the fire pot, and we're getting some smoke starting to come out. And like I said, once this smoke starts to dissipate and the fire pot is full and hot, then we can shut the lid, put it to the desired temperature, and start cooking. Now I'm going to go inside and prepare some meat. Alright, time to get the flank steak prepped. So as per the recipe on Country Smoker's website, we have a blend of spices here, which is half a tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cayenne and chili powder, half a tablespoon of garlic, like half a tablespoon of kosher salt, and we've got some olive oil here. So what we're going to do, we're going to take about a tablespoon of the olive oil, and rub it into the flank steak here. Make sure we get it all covered, down the edges. Then we're going to take some of our spices here. We're going to rub those onto it. Get it all the way around. Oh, they're good. This is going to be tasty. A little bit more. I'm going to do the other side too in a moment. We don't want to use all of it. Get that rubbed on nicely. Going to soak into that olive oil. Get into the meat a bit here. Make sure we get all the edges. Flip that over. A little more olive oil here. Get that spread around. Sorry if I keep going off frame there. I'm holding it with one hand, prepping meat with the other. The edges. We'll take the rest of our spices here. Spread it evenly, and we'll get that rubbed all the way to the edges. The whole thing. Oh, this is going to be very tasty. All right, next up, we're going to go check our temperature and see if we're ready to put it on. All right, we are heating up nicely. I can show you down into the inside. Got some coals going. Most of the smoke is dissipated, so in a couple minutes, I'm going to take the dial and turn it up to 400. We're going to close it, get it heated up, and put the flank steak on. Okay, time to get ready to cook. Got to get this up to temperature. So we're going to shut the lid, turn this guy to 400, and once the temperature's up, we'll put the flank steak on. All right, so it's been warming up. I've got it set to 400 here. Now, as you can see, it's a few degrees higher than 400 because it heats up real fast, but we're going to be adding the cooler flank steak to it. It's going to bring that temperature back down to about 400. So I'm going to put this on. We're going to go about 5 minutes per side. So in 5 minutes, we'll check it and we'll flip it over. Nice and warm in here. We're just going to drop that guy right in the middle, and we're going to let it go for about 5 minutes. All right, it's been 5 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open it up, and we're going to give this beauty a flip underneath it. All right, we'll put 5 minutes on this side. Okay, it is time to pull it off, and we're going to cover it up and let it rest for 5 minutes after this. Oh, that is a good looking flank steak. We're losing daylight out here, so this is pretty good timing. That guy right there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Real easy. Let that cool down. And we're gonna take this inside, cover it up, and let it rest. Time to take a look before we slice it. Oh, that is a beautiful, juicy flank steak. I'm going to grab my knife and we're going to slice it up at a 45-degree angle against the grain. Okay, so we're going to give this a slice. Now, when you cut a flank steak, you want to go against the grain and hold the knife at a 45-degree angle. So, you know, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see the grain of the meat is here. So I'm going to be cutting it here and tilting the knife at a 45-degree angle. So let's take a look at this beautiful piece of meat. So the cooking that I did made it a nice medium rare. We like it a little more medium. Other people like it a little more rare. But the beauty of a flank steak is the outside is always going to be, you know, the outer edges is going to be cooked a little bit more. And for the people who like it a little more rare, on the inside, you can get one of these thicker pieces from the middle. But this looked like it cooked up very nicely. So I'm trying to spread it so you guys can see it. The presentation might not be perfect, but this is more for your enjoyment. Juice is going to start filling the tray on the cutting board here. This is a beautiful flank steak. The Country Smokers Traveler made it super simple to cook. I think we only used about a third of the hopper of pellets, and it's too bad you can't smell this because that championship blend has such a great aroma to it, combined with the spices, you know, the garlic, chili powder, cayenne. It is an amazing smelling piece of meat. So there you have it. Show you the inside there so you can see the cook on the meat. Beautiful, juicy flank steak cooked on our brand new Country Smokers Traveler portable wood pellet grill. Now I wish I could share this with you, but I'm hungry. So I'm going to serve it up to family. We're going to have ourselves some great Mexican food tonight. All right, so I've started a couple tacos here, but before I load them up with more goodies, I just wanted to show you how beautiful this meat looks. We've got it sliced up with a little bit of avocado here and a couple of corn tortillas. So now it's time for us to dig in. We've got all of our toppings over here, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this. It's really easy to use. Definitely go check out the links below and go to countrysmokers.com and check out all of their wood pellet grills. Not only do they have the Traveler portable grill, but they have all different sizes for whatever size meat you make. You can make it in your backyard. You can take it with you when you go camping like we're going to do. But yeah, check them out. Go countrysmokers.com. Check out the link below. And do me a favor. Mash that like and that subscribe button down there. Give us a follow. Like our videos. And we're going to have lots more cool stuff to come. Camping stuff, outdoor stuff, Jeep stuff, cooking stuff with the Country Smokers Grill. So, hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. That's it for now. Happy trails, everybody.